Hey guys, on this episode of the Jeep TJ build, I'm going to show you how to remove this chrome headlight bezel and get it replaced with a new one. Alright, as you can see, my headlight bezel is a little cracked right here up at the top left. So we're going to have to get this thing pulled and replaced with a new one. In order to remove the headlight bezel, it's going to be 3 T15 torque screws, and they're located at the upper left, upper right, and 6 o'clock positions. So let's get those removed and show you the next steps. All right, once those 3 screws are removed, this should just pull right out. Yep, and there we go. As you can see, that one was cracked. Now this is slightly tapered on the inside, so the bottom is going to be wider than it is at the top. So just keep that in mind when reinstalling. All right, let's get the new bezel in place. All right, so here is our new chrome replacement. This is going to slide right in place. You guys can find these chrome bezels anywhere online. They shouldn't cost you any more than 20 bucks. So let's get this thing put in, screwed down, and see how she looks. All right, that new chrome bezel should just snap into place. Yep, something like that. And then you're gonna want to align those 3 screw holes just as you had the old one. All right, something like that. Awesome. All right, and let's get those screws reinstalled. All right, and just like that, we got a new chrome bezel installed around the headlight. No cracks, looks much better. All right guys, thanks for watching.